We are now walking inside the gymnatorium. Let's see, the students are getting ready, the different booths. So the different displays that you can see our students getting ready for this event. We have different countries represented here. This one is the booth for Cuba and Dominican Republic. So we are Caribbean represented right now here. We can see people enjoying as well, taking pictures. The auditorium is still empty because the event will be starting at 2 o'clock. This time is just 11:30. So we want to show you what is going on while they are preparing for this event. Let's go and check out the other booths. We have another one. If I am correct, this is Bahamas. They have a lot of things here in display.
About from the 18th century, 1873. Right now, everything
This is
with
Bahamas. This is Bahamas. We can see a lot of movement right now while they get ready. This one is representing, I think it's Africa. So they have different things as well. They are getting ready. We have Cayman Island. And a lot of things here on display. Yes. All right. We have other countries on this side. This one, which country is this one?
Turks and Caicos.
Oh, this is Turks and Caicos. This is Turks and Caicos, and they are getting ready as well, preparing their booth. Let me see. And they look to be very excited. All right, we have another one, and this one is representing
London.
London.
Britain, UK.
Oh, so this is the UK.
The UK.
So they have a lot of things here. So we want to invite you to come to join us this afternoon here at the gymnatorium. It's going to be a fantastic event. We have another one, a last one here, another booth. It's getting ready. I'm not sure which country is this one. Oh, Haiti. This is Haiti. So they are getting ready. All right. So as they get ready, we can see here a Haitian representative. She's Rose, and he's getting ready. We have another one here. So they are just getting their booth ready. We will show you later to see how everything will look when they finish. So we invite you to come and join us here at the gymnatorium at Northern Caribbean University this afternoon, starting at 2 o'clock. So until then,